Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on the highlights at Madlanga. At Madlanga Nakona, guys, it's a lot. It's like it's scary, to be honest with you. It's just like, what? But we're learning a lot from Madlanga than we are learning at Ad hoc. I mean, some days at Ad hoc for me, there's nothing. I just feel like, but childish, they fight for nothing. You just like, why? There's no control. It's like at Senzomewa's case, Urathu Velanga sensing as a bias on the side here state, and we can see right through him. So mostly it's about Matlala's situations, guys. This guy, this guy, I'm just like, just a guy that grew up in Mamelodi East. Sesi Lasikon. I'm just like, wow. So the highlights basically during the week were so many scandals associated with him over Ket Matlala. The blue lights came out again with this guy, Engfiliguti nayo ugweyakhe icartel on its own, like Julius Mkwanazi deputy le the EMPD Eguruleni Metropolis. I'm just like, wow, bruh. Waze wayenza chaos befuna ukum suspend after Mkwanazi lo wethu. Sengizombiza kanjani Mkwanazi wethu. General. He outed him. He was just like, nangu muntu mina ngi-expose le nengamazi abona uKhethi Matlala nje umbone we in the streets unikezwa yilo ama blue lights like he actually works naye for the government. uKhethi Matlala, what Khethi Matlala was doing with those blue lights will shock you. He was going around with those blue lights transporting the DRUGS, the ones that actually got lost at some stage in KZN, some cargo. No DJ, somebody by inside Pagati or Ket Mulife, Yaliwa Manje get to Tulana, boo 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 boo. Hey, wait, guys, it's a lot. South Africa, right under our nose. Kona like little cartels, Kona KZN, Bashala somewhere, Kona in Johannesburg, it's just crazy. And it did say, Abantu bakona baseGauteng. Ungavele nje ufike in some warehouse. Uthathe nje uzushiye i-AK47 wayenza kanjalo phela i-example General Mkhwanazi uNhlanhla wathi, you know what was crazy about that loot basibeke kanjalo of those DRUGS that came in some cargo and they were in some warehouse. They were taken by prominent people, politicians, those drugs. They came and took them, but there was an AK47 next to them, but because that was not what they were there for. They came for the drugs. They took them. They were like, we're out with our UBCs. Gapo DJ somebody, they're not saints, like it has been said before. Just problem with the DRUG, as we've seen it in the movies, especially with the cartels and Mexicans. Once you cross one person, you'll see yourself. I was just like, guys. Scary things like that. So I also had to highlight, you know what, Khethi Matlala, guys, let's just face it and move on. That are coming out. As this is now, chances are, it's been said, allegedly. For me, it's not allegedly anymore. So my thing is that Jerry Bushok is said to be in his house, in one of these guys' house, Khethi Matlala. So allegedly lapho ke manje uzongena wenhlambi. And the person who enabled uVusumuzi Matlala to be this person, especially Eguruleni, General Julius Mkhwanazi, EMPD, is the one. Ngapha Babita Dekoran ufila ukuthi okay nabo Jerry Bushok ba under the same guy, this crazy guy basically, who thinks he's in the movies. uKhethi Matlala. Ngoba then angithi ba whistleblowers, especially uBamita neThembisa. iThembisa ngithi bayithole imali yakona. That was later discovered ukuthi no, you actually don't even deserve this money. So I cancel. Although ephika umchunu ukuthi I was there, uBheki Cele is the one that actually gave this guy uKhethi Matlala that tender. You know, abanje guys kuningi yabona imali, but it does actually come out ukuthi yabona uSibiya yathatha icup in being a criminal. I mean, you know, he has said it so many times. Now I love that line. I've said it so many times. Criminal kwasho brothers ukuthi I'll never sit around the same table with the criminal. Kusho umkhwanazi ugeneral uNhlanhla. So I was still saying ukuthi guys kuningi emadlanga that's coming out. It's hectic and the Abas are actually coming out, and the fact that Julius Mkhwanazi could be involved in some hit squad. Why is that he's still not arrested, this guy? And I've said it in a video yakhe. And I get 2 videos of this guy. You'll see him in maybe 15 videos before this one at least. You'll see him where ugqoke uniform yakhe yase EMPD eGuruleni, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I want this job as a child. I'm 16 years old. I'm in high school. I want to be at EMPD. Uhlala eKatlehong at the time. You're just like, okay, uzosebenza khona nam soon. At the back of your mind, you're telling yourself, well, you know what, I'm going to learn from this guy. He's so good. He's so great. No, guys. Hakekho right umuntu lo usebenza noKet Matlala. And manje besephika esethi yena he didn't put those blue lights. He just did the blue lights for the government. He did. This one getting not alleged. He did do that. Mayeqeda lapha bese phuma indaba zakhe on the 6th of July by Mkhwanazi. He's like, no, mina, actually, I'm taking a leave. When they were just about to suspend him. I was like, no, actually, you won't suspend me. I mean, I'm bigger than you think. I mean, a cartel. Koni Big Five and reporter, who are you? Usibiya nje kazi ke. Bekufanele ngabe seboshiwe. Mongo mkhophera no Julius Mkhwanazi. Bekufanele seboshiwe guys. Joseph Shedrack, but that person must be in jail. He's rotten to the core. I'm not alleging anything. He's that person. It came out now so many times. He lied that ad hoc like you've never seen. No mangalo ababa akekho right. He's been running a few cartels actually under him. It turns out. Ngapha amaphoyisa abantu awu3 ashona ngifeel ukuthi ukhona lapho ngoba at some stage you was trying to explain. It was raining on the day. He was trying to explain to this family. Uthi I know bembuzi ukuthi how could this happen? One of the family members of the guy who was involved there, he couldn't answer because he's involved in that as well. That's just my thing. He is trying to find out. Because Ujabulani is crime intelligence. These children, about 3 so children, those people were less than 35 guys. They just came in, just trying to create their lives. They took their lives. Those people were actually unalived, guys. We said it in our videos. I said it, I think 3 times when I spoke about them. I was like, were they unalive in some shots that I made? That went viral, actually, that shots. Where I said, were they unalived? Why? Like, I supposed to those 3 people. What happened to them? They blame me in Vu. Like, I know it was rainy. Maybe that car was pushed there. They were unalived. And in Philip, it's the same cartel. And in Philip, General Simia knows exactly what happened to those 3 police officers. Zase Bloemfontein. He knows. He was just like, investigator, please leave us alone. Who are you? You are actually small fish. Again, small. That's who you are. So please leave us alone. Shian Pants. We're still talking about EMPD. The bombs there that they were dropping there at Madanga and people's names. It was crazy this past week. And then this EMPD lady, some scary lady. I'm just like, Sissy, when I come gabi, like dangerous. Fana ngabu sejele kwasaweni. Mashazi, some Mashazi lady. Obuya bonakale in some funerals zezinkabizi of Eguruleni njani. How? I'm like, sis. I'm still trying to get her information, actually, this lady. Who is she? But they actually what they're trying to do, like, bayi-group of people, some cartel. Bane-cartel yabo nje, EMPD eyabo, guys. That has nothing to do with Osibia and them. No Matlala. Baneyabo nje. They run him like, but JMPD. I'm like, wow, US. So this Mashazi lady came out at Madlanga. She is dangerous, actually. Ngoba ngifila ukuthi abona noMphumleaf. They to analyze them, the audit, the Egurulin. They know exactly what happened to this guy. These people, including Julius Nkonas, General Deputy Egurulin. That's EMPD. But basically, what's going on here? Later on, I'll continue with this Mashazi lady. Hi, hectic. From what I'm gathering. Uzayihamba nemingcwabo yabantu abangani bakhe lentabilizers that I think they don't do the job. They normally send, like how I was saying with Kat Matala last week. Kat Matala doesn't really do anything. Uyathumela abantu athi ngenzeleni. This is why in Mamelodi how it happened was that he was on Boko Haram, right? And then why you John Wick again. And it came out at first to go to Ngatwa Zenzele. No, it actually comes out because so he wanted to take Pretoria. It must be his. So what he did was that you'll have like little kabilazas, you know, at Nina, then so to finish off Abantabaso. So many people were unalived for the past 7-8 years. I know uyenalo baphethe those people. Guys, Oket Matlala, they cannot be out. I still don't get it. Why is the ex-teacher who turned a criminal, why is he still out, this guy? Oket Mulif, Oketi. How is he even roaming the streets of Sandton? 2 weeks ago again or last week. So guys, I wanna continue with it a bit with ad hoc later on. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting the channel and just the messages that you sent me after my mother's passing. I appreciate you. Thank you. And turn over.